In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an iMessage with the delightful echo effect on your iPhone. This feature is a fun way to enhance your messages, adding a touch of flair to your everyday communications. Let's dive right into it, shall we? First things first, make sure that your iPhone is on and navigate to your home screen. From here, locate the Messages app, that familiar green icon with a white speech bubble. Once you've found it, tap to open the app. This will take you straight into your message inbox where you can see all your recent conversations. If you're starting a new conversation, tap the compose button in the top right hand corner. Otherwise, simply select an existing conversation with someone you'd like to message. Now let's move on to crafting your message. Simply type in your text as you normally would. It could be something casual like hey, or any text that suits the conversation. Take your time here, as crafting the perfect message is key to the magic we're about to add. Once you're satisfied with your message, direct your focus to the send button, which is represented by a blue arrow. Instead of tapping it as you usually would, press and hold the send button. You'll notice a new menu popping up, and this is what we call the Send with Effect menu. It's here where the fun truly begins. In this menu, you'll see a couple of options at the top, namely Bubble and Screen. Tap on the Screen tab to proceed. This is where you can explore a variety of effects that transform a simple message into something visually captivating. Once the Screen tab is open, swipe left through the effect options until you come across the one labelled Echo. The Echo effect is quite special. It duplicates your message across the screen like a cascading effect, creating an eye-catching spectacle that's hard to miss. After selecting the Echo effect, all that's left to do is to send your message. Take a moment to enjoy previewing this mesmerizing effect. And when you're ready, send it on its way by tapping the blue arrow once more. Congratulations, your message, now adorned with the echo effect, has just been sent. The recipient will see your text multiplied across their screen in a captivating cascade, sure to grab their attention. And there you have it, a straightforward way to bring your iMessages to life using the echo effect on your iPhone. This delightful trick is bound to impress your friends, bringing a new level of excitement to your conversations. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more tech tips.